Hello student, in this video I am solving the remaining questions of 8.4. So this is question number 3rd. LHS is equal to tan theta 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta 1 minus tan theta. Convert these tan theta and cot theta in the form of sine and cos. So you will write here sine theta by cos theta and here 1 minus cos theta by sine theta. And similarly this is cos theta by sine theta 1 minus sine theta by cos theta. This is sine theta by cos theta and sine theta minus cos theta by sine theta plus cos theta by sine theta and this is cos theta minus sine theta and this is cos theta. This when this will goes up, it becomes sine square theta upon cos theta and this is sine theta minus cos theta. And similarly, take minus common from here. We will write here this and it becomes cos square theta upon sine theta and sine theta minus cos theta. Because when you will take minus common from here, it becomes sine theta minus cos theta. For example, a minus b is given to you, you will write it minus then b minus a. Okay. Now LCM of this and this will be written here. We will plot a long horizontal line and write the LCM of this and this here. Then how can you take LCM of these two? First of all, we will write whole denominator here. Cos theta and sine theta minus cos theta. And now look at this denominator and uncommon things from here and here will be written here. So sine theta is uncommon, so you will write here sine theta. Okay. And this is the LCM of this and this. Again, I am describing how can you take LCM of this and this. First of all, you will write this denominator like this. And you will eliminate the common things from here and uncommon will be written here. Since sine theta minus cos theta is already written here, so it will be not written. And sine theta is uncommon, so only sine theta will be written here. Now divide this by this denominator, you will get the quotient sine theta. So you will multiply this numerator by quotient, so obtained this is sin q theta. Similarly, this will be cos q theta. Okay. And now write the factor form of this. This is aq minus bq. So sin theta minus cos theta and this is sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta cos theta. And this is under bracket. And now write the denominator, this denominator, cos theta sin theta minus cos theta and this is sin theta. And here AQ, you know AQ minus BQ is A minus B, A square plus b square plus ab. Okay. Now this will be cross out and you will write 1 for sin square theta plus cos square, that is 1. And this is sin theta into cos theta, this term. And now in denominator we are getting cos theta and sin theta only. Now do the alternate division here. So it becomes 1 by cos theta into 1 by sin theta plus this sin theta into cos theta upon sin theta into cos theta. So this becomes 1 upon sec theta, 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta, and 1 upon sin theta is equal to cosec theta, and this is 1 because this will be cross out. And this is RHS, hence proved. And this is the most important questions for your board examination. So do this question again and again for your board examination. This is the most important question for your board examination. Now, next question is 4. This is now LHS is 1 plus sec A upon sec A, and change this sec A into cos. 1 plus 1 by cos A, and this is 1 by cos A. Now do the LCM of the numerator. This becomes cos A plus 1 by cos A and 1 by cos A. Now cos A plus 1 upon cos A, and this is cos A by 1. As you know that A by B divided by C by D is equal to A by B into D by C. This is the division of fraction. This property is applied here. So this will be cross out. Now 1 plus cos A, and your RHS is A is written in the denominator, so you will write 1 minus cos A here. So 1 minus cos A is also written here, and now this becomes 1 minus cos A square A upon 1 cos A, and this is sin square A upon 1 minus cos A, because you know that cos A square A plus sin square A is equal to 1, and this is RHS, hence proved. So question number 4 has been done. Now question number 5, and this is also most important question for board examination. This is 5th. LHS is equal to cos A minus sin A plus 1, and this is cos A, and this is cos A plus sin A minus 1. In RHS, cos A plus cot A are given, and you know that cos A is equal to 1 by sin A, and cot A is equal to 1 cos A by sin A. In both the cases, sin is coming in the denominator, So divide numerator and denominator by sin A here. You will write here divide numerator denominator by sin A. So you will write here cos A minus sin A plus 1 whole divided by sin A, and this is also cos A plus sin A minus 1 by sin A. Do the alternate division of numerator and denominator. You will get cos A by sin A minus sin A by sin A and 1 by sin A. And similarly in denominator here, this divided by this divided by this, and this divided by this. In my point of view, this is called alternate division of numerator by single denominator. This is cos A by sin A plus sin A by sin A minus 1 by sin A, and this becomes cot A minus 1 plus cosec A, and this is cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. And in RHS, cosec A plus cot A is given. So you will associate this cosec A and cot A together. And you will write here cosec A plus cot A. You will associate these two together because this is the demand of RHS. And for this one, you will write cosec A square A minus cot A square A. And in denominator, you will write the denominator as it is. Cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Don't do any things in the denominator here. Don't disturb it. Yes, then write the factor form of this cosec A square A plus cot A square A. Cosec A square A plus cot A square A. This is cosec A plus cot A, and for this cosec A plus cot A and into cosec A minus cot A. And in denominator, this denominator is written as it is, cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now take cosec A plus cot A as a common. So cosec A plus cot A is written like this, and when you will take common this and this from numerator, you will write here 1 and minus cosec A minus cot A in numerator, because you will write here 1 and cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now open this bracket, cot A. If you will open this bracket, you will get the same as the numerator, 1 minus cosec A plus cot A, and this 1 is written first, and then cosec A minus cosec A minus cosec A plus cot A. It is the rearrangement of terms of denominators here, and motive is what? To make these and this factor same, alike in all respects. So cosec A plus cot A is lefted, and this is the RHS. Hence, important, the most important question. Okay. Now question number 6th. LHS is equal to under root 1 plus sine A upon 1 minus sine A. This implies that what is motive here? If you will see the RHS, you find there is no any root in RHS. So you will try to eliminate under root from LHS. And how can this root be eliminated? If this portion, all the things inside the under root becomes a perfect square number, then they will come out from the square root. So you will try to make the things as a perfect square number. For this, write the questions as it is, 1 minus sine A, and here you will put the multiplication sign and write the conjugate of this. Actually, this word should not be used here because this is the real number and the real number has no conjugate. This word is used in 11th in another section which is called complex number. But I am using that this word. So you will write one just opposite sign. In another word, you will take the opposite sign of this right here and sine A. And similarly, this will be written written in the numerator, and this becomes 1 plus sine A, the A minus B into A plus B, that is A square minus B square. Since A minus B into A plus B is equal to A square minus B square. And this is, and it's not necessary to write 1 square here, and 1 plus sine A the whole square, and it becomes cos square A. Since sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1, this implies that cos square A equal to 1 minus sine square A. These all formulas are explained in my previous videos, and which was posted in previous year. So study that video carefully and try to improve yourself in trigonometry. Now this becomes 1 plus sine A, and this is cos A. Because this is the whole square, so this will came out from the square root, and this is also a whole square, so cos A is also come out from the square root. And do the alternate. This is the RHS. This is not RHS. So do the alternate division. 1 by cos A, and this is sin A by cos A. So this becomes sec A, and this becomes tan A. If this is asked in the question, you will left the answer here, and this is asked in as RHS, you have to come from here to here like this by doing the alternate division, and this is the RHS. Hence proved. Okay. Now, question number 7. LHS is equal to sine theta minus 2 sine q theta upon 2 cos q theta minus cos theta. And watch RHS carefully. In RHS, tan theta is given. Here RHS is equal to tan theta. And this is equal to sine theta by cos theta. Our planning should always based on RHS. So watch RHS carefully, and what is how can we reach to RHS from LHS? You will make a proper plan in a moment of time. They will not allow to take lot of time. Yeah, this should be the momentary action. And in RHS, you are getting sine in the numerator and cos theta in the denominator. So you will take common sine from numerator and cos theta from denominator. And this is sine theta 1 minus 2 sine square theta. And this is cos theta 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay. Now this is your desirable things. This is your desirable things, and these are your undesirable things. So anyhow, you will try to eliminate, cross out this and this together. And how can this will be cross out? This will be cross out when you will change sine theta into cos theta or cos theta into sine theta. So I am just changing here sine theta into cos theta, but you can also change cos theta into sine theta. I am doing it, and at home for your own practice you are requested to change this into sine theta. That will be also correct. This is sine theta by cos theta, and 1 minus 2 1 minus cos square theta. And this is big bracket. Utility of brackets should be careful. You will not close all the things in under same bracket. If small bracket is used here, so you will write here either big bracket or curly bracket, which is also called middle bracket, and 2 cos square theta minus 1. And this is sine theta and cos theta, and open the bracket, this bracket, 1 minus 2 plus 2 cos square theta. And now this is the small bracket, 2 cos square theta minus 1. This is the small bracket, sine theta, and these are the like terms. So you will simplify it. So you are getting minus 1 here. And in mathematics, the positive terms should be written first, and this is the positive term. So write here 2 cos square theta. 2 cos square theta, and this is minus 1. Cos theta 2 cos square theta minus 1. If you perform the mathematical steps on the basis of mathematical concept correctly, it's not, you will get the same things, desirable things. So this will be cross out. And now sine theta by cos theta, and so this is tan theta, and this is your RHS. Hence proved. Now question number 8. LHS is equal to sin A plus cosec A the whole square plus cos A plus sec A. Cos A plus sec A the whole square. And now open this bracket, This is sin square A plus 2 sin A into cosec A plus cosec square A plus cos square A plus 2 cos A into sec A plus sec square A, and sin square A plus cos square A. Write these two adjacent to each other. Cos square A and sin A into cos A. Write here sin A into cosec A. Under bracket, and these two, 2 cos A into sec A, and change this cosec A into cot A. So you will write here 1 plus cot square A, and for this sec A 1 plus tan square A. Because this is the demand of RHS. In RHS, tan and cot are given. So I have converted sec A into tan A and cosec A into cot A. It becomes 1, and 2 into this is also 1 plus 2, this is also 1, and this is 1 plus cot square A plus 1 plus tan square A. This is 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus this is 1 plus 1, and this is cot square A, and this is tan square A. And now when you will add together, you will get 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A, and this is the RHS. Hence proved. Question number 9th. In these questions, there are 3 terms. No, it's cut off. 9th. In question number 9th, LHS is equal to cosec A minus sin A, into sec A minus cos A. Now convert this into sin cos form, 1 by sin A minus sin A, and this is 1 by cos A minus cos A. Take the LCM of these both the bracket, inside both the brackets. This is sin A, 1 minus sin A, 1 minus cos square A, this is sin square A and cos A, and this is cos square A, this is sin A, and this is sin square A, this is cos A. You will write here sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. And now 1 cos will cross out from here, 1 sin will cross out from here, and result is cos A sin A. Now this can be also written like this, cos A into sin A. Since 2 can be written like this, okay, this is the main fraction, and this is the demand. I have written as per the requirement of RHS, because in RHS 1 is written here. So I have written here 1, and this is the bracket, and when you will write 1 here, then the remaining these things will be written like this. So don't change it, because this is the requirement of RHS, and for this is not given in RHS. So for this one you will write sin square A plus cos square A, and this is the cos A into sin A. Now do the alternate division here. 1 upon sin square A by sin A into cos A plus cos square A sin A into cos A. And what will be written here? One sin will cross out from here, one cos will be cross out from here. So sin A by cos A, this is sin A by cos A, this is A by cos A, plus this is cos A by sin A. Okay, and this is cos A square, this is cos A square. Okay, and this will be 1 by sin by cos tan A, and this is cot A, and this is your RHS, hence problem. Okay, now question number 10. First term in this question, there are 3 terms are given in a single question, so you will not allow to write LHS and RHS. So you will start it like this. First term is equal to 1 plus tan square A, 1 plus cot A square A, and this is sec A square A, and this is cosec A square A. This implies that 1 by cos A square A, 1 by sin A square A, and this is 1 by cos A square A into sin A square A by 1, and finally sin A square A by cos A square A, and this is tan A square A. And second term is equal to 1 minus tan A, 1 minus cot A, the whole square. This is A. And change this into sin cos. Sin A by cos A. 1 minus cos A by sin A. Cos A minus sin A, cos A, and this is sin A minus cos A by sin A, the whole square. Cos A minus sin A by cos A, and this will go up, so this is sin A, and take minus common from here. This is cos A minus sin A. So can you please describe why I have taken minus common here? It is because when you will take minus common here, this and this become same terms, and this will be cross out, and so minus sin A by cos A is written here, and it becomes minus tan A, and this is the power 2, so it becomes tan A square A, because this is the even power which will nullify this negative sign. And third term is what? Third term is only tan square A. So from these 3 results, first term simplified into tan square A, second term is also simplified into tan square A, and third term is already tan square A. So we will say that given statement is correct, that is given question is correct. Therefore from this is result number 1, this is result number 2, and this is result number 3. So you will write here from first, second and third results we find 1 plus tan square A, 1 plus cot square A, equal to 1 minus tan A 1 minus cot A the whole square equal to tan square. Hence proved. And this is the most appropriate way of solving this question. Thank you. This is the end of my today's videos.